everybody, it's Lakeisha Cherie. To everyone that follows and support me, welcome back to my channel. And to everyone new watching, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how I built an in-house workout studio during quarantine. In these first two photos, you will get the idea of where my inspiration came from. Everything that you see in the window sills, on the floor, just kind of laying around, that is any type of workout equipment besides the rower machine, I actually purchased from Five Below. Over time, they have actually a nice variety of things that you can purchase to start off. So the boards that I have in this picture, I received from someone. It was scraps for them. They asked if I wanted it. I was like, yes, it's perfect. They replicate what I want in the first two pictures perfectly. I painted the boards with the roller paintbrush and a tiny paintbrush I purchased from Family Dollar so I can get inside of the crevices and on the side and on the tops. I used 2 coats of paint, and in between the first and second coat, I let hours go by because I had these boards up here that my lovely assistant is pointing to. I had to sand those down before I painted those, so those can be used for shelving inside the boards. This is what it looks like after both coats of paint is completely dry. I loved how it came out. I was super excited. And I finally was starting to see the finish line of this project. My lovely assistant right now is pointing to some old rusty hooks that was also given to me. They were rusty. I didn't take a picture of how they looked before, but I bought a can of spray paint and just spray painted those. Turned them over on the other side. Once the first side was completely dry, spray painted them again. Make sure if you're spray painting stuff like hooks that you get each and every angle possible. If you're a perfectionist like me, it will irritate you if you do not. I got these PVC pipes used from my dance teacher. Shout out to her. I spray painted them black. Please use eye protection, especially when you're spray painting. Use a mask, and you should throw on some gloves. I got paint all over my hands, all over my nails. The fumes were terrible. Please don't make the same mistakes I did. All of the hard work, the spray painting, the sanding is complete. Now on to the fun stuff. If you are extra like me, of course, a workout studio is not complete without its own workout and meal plan book. So your girl went out to Family Dollar once again and purchased a 3-ring binder for $5. And I took a picture of my workout studio. I laminated, put it in the front of the 3-ring binder, and then took each and every workout plan or meal plan that I ever printed, laminated those, 3-hole punched those, and put them in the binder, and this is the end result of it. Because this isn't a workout plan that I actually created myself, but I purchased offline from a company, part of the agreement was that I did not share it with anyone else. So I found another assistant who I think is super cute to help cover up the content. So my boards are complete, and as you can see, I love them. They came out great. They're perfect in my opinion. The only thing that's a little irritating is every time I go to use an exercise ball, the spray paint from the hooks are on the ball. So I always have to clean off the ball each time I use it to work out. Other than that, there are no issues. I love it. As you can see, my workout studio came out amazing. I added the floor, the adjustable bench, and the kickboxing bag. Let me know down in the comments what projects you worked on during quarantine. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.